Now to start off with this, let's begin with Cosmic Spider-Man. So I'm going to start him up a little bit higher, and we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to bring it down and up, kind of like an upside down egg shape. Starting here, we're going to come down on each side for the neck. Then we'll go out just a bit. Right here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side for the shoulders. A line that's going to come out and then down. And then another line that's going to come out and then down. Next, we're going to bring a line that's going to come down and over. And one more here, down and then over for the chest. Starting here, we're going to draw this line down and in. And another one, we're going to come down and then in. Come out and in, kind of where the hips are going to be. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to come down. We're going to bring it in. And then I'm going to bring this line over to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. Do a little curved line here. And then right here, we're going to go out and in with another little line that's going to curve out for the knee. Make line that's going to come out and in, and then out and then in. Next, we're going to bring this down to a point, and we're going to bring this back up for the foot. Kind of like the foot is kind of like, or the legs coming at you a little bit. Then right here, we're going to bring this line down and up. Bring this line in. And I'm going to bring this line up. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. And then we'll just make a little line right here for part of the leg. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. Then a line's going to come out and then down here. We'll make a line that's going to come out and back. Or make a long line that comes down and out. And we'll do a couple more for some fingers. Next, we're going to bring this line up and in. And we'll bring it right up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line out and then in for the arm. Then we're just going to curve this down. Bring a line up. We're going to come in and then bring it back. Next, I'm going to bring a line down and then up. Make another one that's going to go up and in. One here, and then one more right here. Then I'll bring this over and in with a little line here. Next, I'm going to bring this up and then in here. Now, starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that goes over and down for part of the chest. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here, and we'll do the same thing. Come down and over, down and over. We'll make lines going to come up and then down. Draw a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. And we'll draw a little line here. Now, he almost kind of has like a galaxy on his suit up here. So we're just going to go ahead and draw a couple little circles on here in some different places. We'll just make a few of them, make them some different sizes as well. Let's put a few circles on here. We'll add a couple of different size ones around here. Then we're just going to add little lines to connect them. And they're not all going to connect. We're just going to kind of make some of these lines come off in different spots. And we'll just go ahead and add some little lines all around here. Put a couple more little circles here too. Next we'll draw a couple little lines in here for part of the mask, and a little line across to connect them. Draw a line here for the knee, and a couple little lines over here. Just a few little detail lines on here as well. A couple of lines on the head too, and one on the chest. Now, once we have Cosmic Spider-Man in here, I want to put Supersonic over here. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to begin with the face. So we'll begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come back up here. Then we'll draw another line that's going to come down, and then back here. We'll curve this up for the eye, and we'll do the same thing over here, just curve it up. We'll make a little oval shape, and then we'll just kind of color that in for the pupils. Make a little black dot for the nose. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come around and then up here. And a little line down. I'm going to bring this line up. And I'm going to bring this line up and then over. Bring this line up and then down. Bring this line up to a point and over. Up to a point and then back. Bring this line up and down in like a triangle. And then we're going to bring this over for part of the ear. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line up to a point, and it's going to come all the way down to that ear. We'll make another one here. It's going to come up and down. Then we'll make one more, and it's going to come right to the face. We'll make a point here, and another point right there. Starting here, we're going to go out and then in. And right here, I'm going to go out, over, and then I'm going to bring this back up. Right here, I'm going to go up. We're going to bring this over. Right here, we're going to go up, over, and down. Over and down. Over and down. Then we'll add some little bumps on top of here for like the knuckles, and we'll curve it to here. Now right here, I'm going to add another spike that comes out, and we're going to bring it back to the arm. Then we'll jump over the arm and bring it down to here. We'll bring this line over. We'll come across and then back up for the leg. We'll connect this line. Right here, we're going to go over and down. We'll go up and then bring it over. Right here, I'm going to make kind of like a half oval shape. I'm going to bring this line up and down to here. We'll curve this line down. We'll make another line here, and then two little stripes right there. This one will add a little curved line. Make a couple curves around here, kind of like an oval shape. And we'll make this line come down, and this one here. We'll bring this around. We'll make two lines here. Next we'll curve this line around and down here. Now we're going to add the other arm out here. So all we have to do is draw two little lines, and we're going to connect them here. Make a line that comes down and up for the thumb. Make a line here for a finger. One here. One here. And then we'll make a little one right here. I'm going to bring this line up to here. Then right back here we'll add a little line that comes out and back for the tail. Now the last one we want to add in here is Burning Godzilla. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to go with a line that goes down, and then we're going to bring it back here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up for the eye. Next I'm going to bring this line up and then back just a little bit. And then we're going to bring this line all the way back to here. And we'll add a little line that comes down. Next I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down for the nose. We'll add a little line that's going to curve around and then down for the nostril. Next we're going to bring this line up and down, and we're going to bring it back here. Next I'm going to bring this line down all the way to here towards supersonic. We'll bring this line down here, and then we're going to bring it up, and then all the way over and up towards Cosmic Spider-Man. I'm going to draw a line right down here. And then we're going to add some different size teeth in here. Put some closer together, some farther apart. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to kind of go up and then down for the tongue. I'm going to bring this line back here. And then I'm going to bring this line right around here. We're going to bring it up. Next, we're going to make some lines that are going to come back here, and a couple more. We'll bring this line down here for the jaw. And then we'll make a line that's going to come down and then back, down and back, down and back here. And we're going to make this line come down and then go right off the paper. Next, we're going to add a couple little detail lines around here. So make a line right there. Make a couple little broken lines kind of right around the mouth here, and a couple long lines right here in the mouth. We'll also add a couple little lines right down here. I want to add a couple little spikes on here, and we're going to make them get a little bit bigger back here too. I'm going to add a couple little detail lines on here. And a couple little lines right here on the mouth area. I'm also going to add a couple little broken lines that are going to come down here. And a couple more little lines right on the face. We're going to add some lines coming up here. And a few more broken lines right around here for some detail. And then you can kind of come in here and add a few little extra details onto our Burning Godzilla if you want. Just a few little extra things on here. And there you go, here is your drawing of kind of like the most powerful out of all of these characters. We got our Cosmic Spider-Man, our Supersonic, and of course our Burning Godzilla. These are kind of like the most powerful of all these guys and their ultimate forms. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.